7 days ago, I started a brand new YouTube Shorts channel with one goal: get it monetized in 30 days. Yep, just 30 days. Sounds insane? Well, welcome to the madness. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what happened in week 1, day by day, so you can copy my moves or at least avoid my mistakes. I've built a successful Shorts channel before, so trust me when I say we're about to cook. In this video, not only you see a challenge, but you will find answer to all general questions like, will I get 0 views if I create brand new channel? Will I get banned if I upload on a new channel? What happens if a complete beginner starts a channel with no experience? Can someone go viral in just 7 days? With that said, let's jump in. Day 1, the chaos begins. I did what every serious YouTuber does when starting a new channel. I panicked and opened an incognito tab. My first step, niche research. You've got 2 main flavors: entertainment, spicy and fast growing, and educational, sweet but takes time to build. I chose entertainment. Why? Because I don't have a PhD, but I do have memes. Then I had to choose between original or repurposed content. I went with repurposed because I'm not Mr. Beast and I don't have a $1 million budget to bury myself alive. So I went deep into the Shorts feed, scrolling like a zombie for an hour. I wasn't just looking for likes. I checked the view to like ratio because that tells you if people really cared or just double tapped by accident. I grabbed the top 20 viral shorts. Most of them were in the ranking niche, you know, ranking 5 cringe moments, ranking top habosh babosh, or top 5 baby moments kind of stuff. It's exploding right now. The format is fast, addictive, and people can't stop watching till number 1. And since I already binge watch ranking videos more than I check my bank account, boom, decision made. But here's what sealed the deal. I checked out some big players in this niche, like at Ranking Mamba, at Live Rankings, and at Irenic Zero. These channels are absolutely printing views. One of them even showed how he built this kind of shorts channel in just a month. Just so you know, this isn't theory. Next, I needed a channel name. Something catchy, simple, easy to remember. I almost went with Rankaholics Anonymous, but didn't want YouTube to think it's a recovery group. So I picked something clean, relevant, and it is Ranking Tanking Short. Logo, banner. I whipped up something fast in Canva. It's pretty simple, and even my 3-year-old niece could probably make a better banner in Canva. But please, for the love of your future subscribers, don't spend 3 hours adjusting font spacing like you're designing a Vogue cover. Just make it clean, legible, boom, done. By the end of day 1, I had a hot niche, rankings, a channel name that didn't get flagged, a simple but clean logo and banner. Day 2, the upload begins. I posted my first ranking short. You know the vibe, ranking top 5 habosh babosh moments. Yeah, that chaotic energy that hooks you before your brain even wakes up. I'm impatient like 99% of small creators. I was already side-eyeing the algorithm like, you good bro? But then I remembered shorts require patience. If you want to win, you've got to stick it out. And then the views trickled in. 100, 500, by the end of day 1, views. Not viral, sure, but honestly, pretty solid for a brand new ranking channel. Let me tell you the real pain nobody talks about. Ranking shorts are brutal to edit manually. I was in CapCut for hours, dragging clips, syncing sound effects, tweaking captions frame by frame like I was restoring ancient artifacts. All that for one video. That's 35 seconds long. And if you're trying to post daily, yeah, that grind hits different. Meanwhile, I noticed something. The channel's posting 2 to 5 shorts a day. They weren't editing manually. They were using AI. So I thought, wait, if they're doing it, why not me? That's when I found this gem, Clippy AI. And no, this isn't one of those boring use my affiliate link to feed my cat ads. This is me showing you the exact tool that saved me from going insane. Here's how Clippy works. First, you pick a ranking idea, then you grab clips from TikTok, Instagram, whatever platform people are being chaotic on, drop them into Clippy, and boom, it edits everything for you. Captions, even auto-generates sound effects. You don't even have to touch a timeline. I still polish things a little, yeah, but what used to take me hours now takes minutes. And get this, the edits don't feel robotic, they still look custom, and they let you add those iPhone-style emojis, which low-key grab insane attention. So if you're in the ranking niche, football, anime, celeb drama, Clippy lets you scale 10 times faster without losing that viral edge. It's not magic, it's just, finally, a tool that gets what we're trying to build. Links in the description. Thank me later or now, I accept both. So, things were finally looking up. After letting Clippy handle the heavy lifting, you know, editing, transitions, captions flying in like boom, I really thought I cracked the YouTube code. Our very first short, boom, 29,000 views. Brother, I was already imagining myself on a podcast going, yeah man, it just blew up overnight. But of course, happiness didn't last long. I was feeling unstoppable, so I posted our second short. It started to get views. I refreshed the page like every 5 minutes. Views ticking up. I'm thinking, we're back baby. Then suddenly, it just stopped, like it hit a wall. The graph just went from rocket to skull. And that, my friend, brings us to day 4, the 0 views problem. I gave Clippy my best performing videos. I even got creative, added cool fonts, dropped in some emojis, sprinkled some fairy dust. I uploaded it, waited again, still nothing. I uploaded another one, guess what? Still nothing. 0 views. Like YouTube put a little do not disturb sign on my channel door, and I knew I'd officially entered YouTube jail. But the truth is, it wasn't YouTube's fault. It was mine. And today, I'm gonna tell you the exact mistakes I made, the same ones destroying most new channels before they even get a chance, and how to avoid them. Because if you're watching this thinking, why am I getting 0 views? Buckle up, this might hurt a little. And if you missed the last mistake, you keep doing hard work to get 0 views over and over again. Mistake number 1, I didn't warm up my account. I just created the channel, threw a video on there, and expected YouTube to treat me like the next Mr. Beast. Spoiler alert, YouTube was like, who is this stranger and why are they yelling into my algorithm? When your account has never watched a video, never liked anything, never left a comment, YouTube assumes you're a bot. A shady, spammy internet robot trying to hack its way into views. To avoid this, super easy, warm up your account like it's a gym session. Just scroll shorts for a few days, drop likes, comment something silly like me procrastinating my entire life, and watch some long form videos too. It tells YouTube, hey, I'm human, please let me in. 7 days. That's all it takes. Trust me, it's the cheapest rent you'll ever pay for algorithm real estate. Mistake number 2, I didn't verify my phone number. I thought, hey, let's see if it works without that step. But it did not work. Verifying your phone number does 2 magical things. 1, it tells YouTube you're not some burner account from 2007. And 2, it unlocks features that actually help your growth. No phone equals no trust equals no love from the algorithm. Simple fix. Don't skip it. Mistake number 3, I uploaded from my laptop, which sounds normal, right? But here's the deal. Shorts are made for mobile, and YouTube knows that. Uploading from desktop looks sus, especially when your account's brand new and has no behavior. It's like walking into a party without being invited, wearing sunglasses indoors, holding a briefcase, someone's calling security. On the flip side, when you upload from your phone, YouTube goes, oh, okay, you're a real short creator. Plus, mobile uploads come with a buffet of perks. You can easily add trending sounds, pick killer thumbnails, use built-in tools, all things that boost reach big time. So yeah, not uploading from my phone, that one hurt. Mistake number 4, I picked the post whatever goes viral niche. Yup. For example, one day I uploaded top 5 fastest cars. Next day, top 5 funny I show speed moments, and then top 5 habosh babosh moments. But here's the thing, that kind of content hardly builds views, not even fans, because one person watches a cars video, and the next thing they see is I show speed doing backflip video. They're like, what the is this channel? And YouTube's confused. One viewer loves a video, then ignores the next. So the algo's like, oh, guess no one actually likes this creator. Bye-bye reach. See, every time you switch topics, you're basically restarting from 0. It's like opening a new store every day and hoping customers randomly walk in. The fix? Niche down, stay consistent. For example, only create shorts about I show speed, or only about football like top 5 goals, top 5 faults moments, or top 5 saves that made the laws of physics cry. Now when people binge your stuff, YouTube's like, this guy, people coming back to watch his videos over and over again. He's a legend, boost him. So yeah, general niche equals endless hustle. A focused niche equals algorithmic love. So now you're probably wondering, okay genius, how do you get out of YouTube jail and make a new channel go viral? Well, that brings us to upcoming video, where I finally cracked the algorithm and got insane amount of views, subscribers, fast. Tap that like button if your channel ever made you feel like throwing your phone across the room. I've been there. And if you're ready to find out exactly how I got 30 million views in just 30 days, stay tuned and subscribe with notifications.